So guys, first method, come to www.gigabyte.com. You can come this website. This is official website, so you can download the driver. Here to search key and then type your model number, which is you require the driver X570 AORUS XTREME, and then hit enter. Then click to product. You can see here this is different versions, 1.2, 1.0, 1.1. But you install you using any, but installations process same. Then click to support. Select your operating system which requires the driver and install the driver. If you are Windows 10, 11 any, so you can watch this video and install it because installations process same. Audio driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading here, and just single click to open. And then yes, and then close it.